In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks Online data to Excel. Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly move your data into Excel for analysis, sharing, or backup. I'll also add helpful context along the way so you know why each step matters and what to expect on screen. First, log into QuickBooks Online in your browser. Using a modern, up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly. Once you're in your company file, we'll head straight to the report you want to export. On the left side menu, click Reports, or navigate directly to the specific report you need. The Reports page is organized by categories and also includes a search bar, so it's easy to find common reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, or a customer list. Open the report you want to take into Excel. Next, run the report by choosing the report period and any filters you need. This step is important because Excel will reflect exactly what you see here. Set the correct date range, choose the accounting method you use in your books if applicable, and apply filters such as customer, vendor, class, or location to narrow the results. When you're satisfied, let the report refresh so it shows the finalized data you want to export. At the top right of the report, click Export. From the export options, select Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate an Excel file that mirrors the report on your screen, including columns, totals, and any filters you applied. When prompted, save the file to your computer in your preferred location. Pick a folder you'll remember, and consider adding the report name and date to the file name, so it's easy to find later. Now, open the exported file in Microsoft Excel to view or manipulate the data. If Excel opens the file in Protected View, you can enable editing to work with the cells. From here, you can sort, filter, add formulas, or create charts, whatever you need to analyze or present your data. Because it's a regular Excel file, you can also share it with your team or attach it to emails without giving others access to your QuickBooks account. Tip: you can export almost any report or list from QuickBooks Online using this method, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and customer lists. Just open the item, confirm your filters, and export to Excel the same way. That's how to export QuickBooks Online data to Excel. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.